Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to complete assignments from Unit 2, which is Exploring Programming with Virtual Robots. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the first assignment and give you an example of what my expectation is. Alright, so let's click View Assignment. This assignment is the first one. It's called the Distance Drive Challenge, and here are your instructions. First, you are going to open the link vr.vex.com. I will go ahead and bookmark that because you're going to be programming and testing your program for the virtual robots from that website for all of the challenges in this unit. So let's go ahead and open that and you can see what that looks like, okay? So I'll explain a little bit more about how to program in a separate video. Then what you're going to do is you're going to read through the challenge. Okay, so open up the challenge document that goes with each of the assignments, and this is the distance drive challenge. Something to make note of is the playground. This is the virtual, kind of like the virtual reality or virtual world that the robot is going to be in. So you're going to click playground here to get your virtual world to show up. Let me move this over here. And there are like 10 different playgrounds, so you need to make sure you're in the correct one. I think this one is grid map. Okay, yep, grid map. And then notice that there are 3 levels for this challenge. The levels do get a little bit more difficult. So level 1 is just to program the VR robot to drive forward 3 grid squares. And then how far should you program the VR robot to move if you wanted it to travel 3 grid squares? Notice here you've got this block to insert a picture of your program once it's completed in that text box. Same thing with level 2 and level 3. Again, I'm going to make a separate video that kind of goes through, gives you all a little bit of hints on how to do these programs. There's also these helpful hints at the bottom of the assignments that tells you each grid square is exactly 200 millimeter by 200 millimeter. And then it'll also give you this kind of like a little picture of the different commands from VRVex that you should use, or it suggests that you should use those. There's lots of different ways that you can program, and so it's just going to give you some suggestions for where to start. Okay, so once you have your programming complete, so let's say, let's see, I'm going to open an example program. Well, maybe not. Open examples. I'm just going to go to drivetrain forward and backward. Okay, so let's say that this was your completed program. It did what you wanted it to do for level 1. Here's what I need you guys to do sorry about that. Here's what I need you guys to do in order to get your snips and turn in the Google Doc. All right, so you're going to go to your snipping tool. Snipping tool just allows you to take a picture of your screen, but you can click specifically what you want to be in the picture. So you're going to go New and just get a snip of your program. We're going to copy, which is Control-C, or you can right-click copy. Come over to your assignment. Where's that at? And then you will insert your picture, oops, here. Okay. And again, that's not the correct program for this particular assignment, but it's just an example. Okay. So read through the challenge, program the virtual robot to complete the challenge, and then snip an image of your 3 programs to the Google Doc. So again, there's 3 challenges. You should have 3 different programs, 3 different snips of those programs in those documents. And then download your VR block file, submit it and your Google Doc. Okay, so this is where I'm going to show you how to download the file. All right, so once, I'm going to hide the grid map for now. Once you're completed, once you've got your 3, once you have your 3 projects completed for the 3 different levels, here's what I need you guys to do. I need you to go to File, save to your device. Okay. Now, if you look down here, it just saved this as VEX Code Project 2 because I didn't change the name of the file. So here's what you got to do first before you can do this. Click up here, and this the name of this was 001 Distance Drive Challenge. You know what, guys? Make your life simple. I'm just going to copy that and put it right there. Copy and paste it. That way it matches the name of the assignment. And if you wanted, even at the end, if you'll go ahead and put that this is level 1. Okay. So we'll rename that. We're going to go File, Save to your device. And now it's saving as an appropriate name, and I know that this is not just some random VR blocks file. Okay. So then you guys know how to turn in assignments at this point, but when you turn in your assignment, you'll need to, this will automatically be part of what gets turned in because it's attached to the assignment on Google Classroom, but you will also, you can't see it from my side because I'm on the teacher version, but you'll want to click, I think it's like Add Document or Add File, and you'll want to make sure you have added your 3 different programs for the 3 different levels. Okay? If you have any questions at all, please just let me know or let your sub know, and